Here's the ground beef, ground pork, chopped onions, red bell pepper. I'm delicately applying it to the wrapper. I am apportioning it symmetrically, and then I am gingerly wrapping it, tucking it in nice and tight. No gaps, no air. Folding this at a right angle, and then rolling it nice and tight. And then I will apply some more water here, act like a glue, keep the wrapper nice and tight. And then the almost finished product. Normally we fry these, but I better try the raw just to see if it. No. We have a lot more meat than we have wrappers, so I'm making a really gigantic, massive lumpia. We call it the lumpy lumpia. There you go. It's a two-handed lumpia. It's a man's lumpia. Shaped like a shoebox. It's only for professionals. No first timer. Alright. Ta-da! Already made most of these. I made this jumbo sized monster right here. I call it the cube. Yeah.